Hi, I'm Rob from Kimpex, joined here today by Franz from Liqui Moly. Thank you for joining us today.
My pleasure.
I have a question for you. If I have an off-road vehicle, what's the best way I can, or what's the best products I can use to maintain that vehicle?
So for off-road, we have a full range of products. And so first thing is go to your owner's manual. Let's see what the recommended viscosity, if it's a 4-stroke or if it's a 2-stroke, we need to know what level, performance level of 2-stroke oil. In our case, for a 2-stroke oil, we are the original first fill supplier for Beta motorcycles. So in the case of you buy a brand new 2-stroke Beta motorcycle, it's coming with Liqui Moly. This particular product you see on the front label has the ISO EGD. This is the top performance specification for 2-cycle oil. It's going to be used in premix and injector systems. Now onto a 4-stroke, we're going to look for these viscosity numbers, whether it's a 10W40, 10W50, in the case of some European motorcycles, a 10W60. So that is going to be the determination there. We've also manufactured for the ATV and UTV markets, because now we're talking about heavier vehicles, maybe 2-up, maybe pulling trailers, that sort of thing. We have a 10W40, which is a more basic level, a synthetic product, but more of a basic level. And then we have a 5W50, which is a good high performance oil for the UTVs and more high performance vehicles. But again, consult your owner's manual first, and then look at Liqui Moly line and what corresponds with those needs. And then from there, we're going to look at how to maintain that system, particularly for off-road. If you unfortunately end up in a stream, you know, or
I have
or
done that, yeah. Sadly.
or sucking in some water, let's say, or you know, a really aggressive trail ride we've ridden for a long period of time, and you've gotten the vehicle very hot. So now we need to look at keeping the oil system clean. We need to look at protecting the fuel system and also the cooling system. So we're going to start off with our engine flush. This guy is the same detergents that are in the engine oil. So all that we're doing now is just before an oil change, we're going to increase the amount of detergent. We're going to take any of those deposits that built up, be it water, be it some sludge or something like that from overheating the oil. We're going to pull that into the old oil. We're going to get it out and keep that oil system nice and clean. And then on the coolant side, we're going to put this in the radiator. Same idea. Any kind of rust or scale or any kind of buildup in the cooling system, going to pull it all into the old coolant, flush that out, top it up with new coolant. The coolant system's perfect. And on the fuel side, we're going to use our bike additive. This is going to go into the fuel tank. It's going to clean the fuel system. It's going to lubricate all the components. It's going to keep anti-corrosion coating on all the metal surfaces, keep the cooling, the fuel system in top condition.
Excellent. So now we have a bit more, I definitely have more ideas on how to keep the bike running at optimum level. And I do appreciate you coming here and answering our questions today. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
And thank you for watching.